They saw those birds fly and they're like,
they
hey,
started flying too. Yeah. A couple of quail just flew into the backyard. There's the male. And the female is over in the raspberries. They've got a nest somewhere.
I think they got one back here somewhere.
And then I brought the chicks out, and when they saw the quail flying around, they started flying. Stand up and I won't scare them. No, I don't think it's back here. Last year we thought it was behind that house across the road.
It was. Definitely. Now they're frequenting our backyard.
Yeah, we didn't see any quail eggs. Hey, are you coming down to play? They're way more confident outside now. I wish I could catch his little feather on the top of his head. He's really cool looking. They're in there now because I was digging it out by hand.
Yeah.
So you guys can eat all the bugs you want.
I love the male's
The little
quill
feather.
on the top.
Yeah. They know we won't harm them, that's why they come back here. So we're putting compost. Chuck has been working hard. He's putting my beet box back together so I can plant beets. I'll put a few carrots.
It's not music.
No.
Beatbox?
Yeah, for my beets. And that's the compost. We dug out all the compost today.
Could be a beatbox if you wanted to do some music.
Yeah. That comes out, that's black as coal.
Hey, I just tilled all that.
Oh, did you? I'm sorry. Now you know how it feels when you walk across the floor after I vacuum.
You see a path right there. You go down and you come over. You don't go across anywhere up to it.
They are just of interest today. Eat the dandelion seeds, they're good. You guys playing? And they're sticking together, that's good. There's the rows for the corn, and then peas, and then, oh, there she is. She's down in those raspberries. Look at her. That's the mama quail. She's got a little tiny feather on her head too, but I never noticed that before. Yeah. Let's get that camera to stay still. I think he's in the blackberries.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, got all those blackberries down there. I'm sure there's a lot of bugs under there. Well, she can call him and he'll answer. Look at that's right where I was digging. Where are you guys going? Go down and say hello to the mama quail. Where did he go to? I don't want to step on anybody now. Oh, there he is. They had quail chicks at IFA one time. They were a straight run. You didn't know what was what, like.
There's the mill.
Yeah. She's right there. She's camouflaged, really. What did you find? You have a leaf in your beak. They call out when they find something good. The others chase them for it. You're going to start clucking. Come on. Eat those dandelions. I don't want them anymore. What are you guys doing? You think I'm the mama? There they are. Ooh, up on the roof. They're cool. Hang on, guys. Yeah, their nest is across the street again, Chuck. They're headed back that way.
They're just roaming around looking for nice environments.
They're looking for food. And our backyard is the best place. Huh? Yeah. Where are we going now?
They're in your shade.
That's what they're doing. Step over here. Doing great, aren't you? Full of confidence now outside. Getting big. Are they 6 weeks old now? They're 6 weeks old now?
Yeah.
That's it. Lagatha's not going to have it. Gotta follow Mom. I'm right here. Lagatha keeps looking at me.
Migrating towards you.
Yeah, in circles. I'll grab the seed for that box, so we'll get it planted.
Well, I need to figure out the sprinklers.
Oh, we gotta turn the darn sprinklers on. There's a head missing over here. Right here.
Yeah.
Where?
I'm going to take that and replace it.
Wherever it went to. There you go, they found Dad. Oh, it's higher than she thought. It's a bit of a breeze. It's nice.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon. How are you? Huh? How are you? She's going to have a pretty weird comb. Did you see that? How it's got these two? Come
Yeah.
look at it.
Let me see your comb. Yeah, she's got a pea comb. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. You're not a boy, are you?
Oh, I hope not. She definitely has different mannerisms than the others, but
Yeah.
you never know what you're going to get at IFA because they pick chicks up off the floor and stick them in wherever. The customers, that is. What you guys doing? Get used to that compost now. You're digging around in there, you find tons of bugs. Where you going, Lagatha? Huh?
Hey.
You running around me?
She's a little jealous she's up there.
Yeah. They all want up there now.
You want to go up there, Lagatha?
She's too high, I can't knock her down.
Come on. There you go.
She's going to cluck before any of them.
Uh-huh.
Her voice is breaking.
There. There you're up. Who else wants to go?
What's in the dirt? Here, scratch around in there. Find something in the dirt.
You're going to get down.
There you go.
Make sure you use your wings.
Scratch around in there. You'll find stuff, look. And take off. There you go. 1, 2, 3, jump. She's going to go anytime now.
No, she's not.
Did you change your mind? The wheelbarrow's too high. Agatha, what are you doing? Oh, stop the lights.
There you go. Picking at it now.
Yeah. She was checking where I moved the dirt. Okay, guys, back to work. We're going to need the wheelbarrow back. Come on, Cinnamon. She's looking down.
I'm good. You want to push me around in the wheelbarrow? You can do that. Look at that.
Cinnamon's game for anything.
This is freak, isn't it? Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Go ahead. Go, Cinnamon. Go, Cinnamon. Go, Cinnamon. Go.
She's like you're talking to. I never thought growing up that you could name chickens and they would respond to their names.
Yeah, they know who they are.
Come on, Cinnamon. Nope, she's finding stuff.
They need water.
Yeah,
The pan.
I'll bring some out.